People are demotivate you. It doesn't mean you are failure. You cannot do something. It means still you are on trying. Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome back to my another brand new video. It's me Tamim. Today I have come to another place. After coming here, I'm just in front of the camera. Today in this video I would love to talk about an important matter. The matter is mistake. Mistake is the first step of learning. Those who are doing mistake, don't be disappointed, don't be upset. Keep your journey, continue your journey. Mistake is the first step of learning. To err is human. That's why making mistake isn't mean you are going to be failed. It means still you are going on. In fact, the one who never made mistake never tried to do something. Moreover, we are not out of mistake. As a human being, we do mistake. Everyone's life made mistake. Okay, so don't be upset, don't be disappointed to mistake. Whenever you want to do something at this moment, you will do mistake. Without missing something, without mistake, you can't learn something. Okay, this is the thing. So we have to keep in our mind that mistake is the first step of learning. So don't be worried, bro. Try your practice. When you do something, like when you practice your English, you will make mistake. In the meantime, a lot of people discourage you, demotivate you. People are demotivate you. It doesn't mean you are failure. You cannot do something. It means still you are on trying. At this moment, you should keep in your mind, it is the final step of your success. This is the stage of success. At this moment, you should keep up your work. Like if you want to be a public speaker, then you have to practice in public. When you go to public place, when you trying to making video, making conversation, at this moment a lot of people look at you and someone motivated you, some others discouraged and look at you with love. So at this moment you shouldn't look at them. Everywhere you can try. So dear viewers, I do not want to make it more longer. See you in the next video. Till then, stay well, stay connected with Tamim's English Care. Don't forget, follow my Facebook page, and you can go to YouTube, then you will get my YouTube channel. From here you can watch a lot of video about English related. So bye bye.